Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Mairo Sounds. Today I'll be showing you guys piano progression chords part 2, which is the 73625 on chord progression. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to get the channel going. And today I'll be showing you guys how to apply it in songs. It's not just knowing the progression. So today I'll show you guys how to apply the 73625 on worship songs. Right. Okay, now we are on the key of C. I'll play the progression, then I'll play it slowly first of all, then I will show you guys how to apply it. 73625. Race. Now how to apply this progression in worship song. Let me take this song for an example. From key of C. You are the reason why I lift my hands. This song is an African song which goes like this. You are the reason why I lift my hands, why I lift my voice, why I sing to you. So the basic progression of this song is going to from your 6th to your 4th, and then to your 1, and to your 5th. Now this progression, the way you use it is that you select where you want to use it. Now we are on the 6th. We want to go to the 4. And remember the progression. The progression is now you want to go to the 4 from the 6th, which means you can actually take from here to here before going to your 4. Praise you are the reason why I lift my voice. Sorry, why I lift my hands. Actually, mistake on the lyrics. Praise you are the reason why I lift my hands. You can see the way I used it. I used the 6. You are the reason that I used the 5 1 from the 73625 Now I just took the 5 and the 1 to move to my 4. Now let's try the 736 now. You are the reason why I lift my hands, why I lift my voice, why I sing to you. Now we want to go to the 6. Now we can just steal the 736 out from the progression of the 73625. Why I sing to you. Then we go like this. Then to the 6th again. You are the reason I'm alive today. So you guys can see it. So it depends on where you are going and where you want to land. If you want to land on, okay, let's say 1. You are the reason why I lift my hand, why I lift my voice, why I sing to you. Remember, then we go to the 7 3 6. You are the reason I'm alive today. Then we want to go to the 1. I am here to say. Now that moment you are here, let me go back a little. You are the reason I'm alive today. I am here to say. I used the 2-5-1. It's all because of you. So you see that there's a way you can use all this. It doesn't necessarily mean you will have to use the 7-3-6-2-5-1 at once. You pick out some that you actually need that moment. You pick, most times you pick the 7-3-6 out from it. Most times you pick the 2-5-1 out from it. Most times you pick the 5-1-4. Most times you just pick it as it suits you. You pick the one that suits the progression at that moment. Now you can even use in this same song, you are the reason why I lift my hands. You can just pick it like this. The 6-2-5-1-4. Can I take 6-2-5-1-4? Now let's do it like this now. You are the reason why I lift my hands. So I use the 6-2-5-1. Then I went to my 4. Then while I lift my voice, now let me play this song with progressions now. You are the reason why I lift my voice. Then I want to go to the other part. Then I used to 2-5-1. Why I lift my voice, why I sing to you. Just like that. That's how to use the progression. You actually pick the ones you need at the moment. But most times there are some songs that the progression goes all together. Like the way I showed you now. You are the reason why I lift my hands. I use the 6-2-5-1-4. But don't forget, the progression is 7-3-6-2-5-1-4. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. God bless you.